Hey there, pancake lover. Craving fluffy stacks but out of baking powder? No worries. I've got a game-changing recipe that'll make your taste buds dance. Get ready for the fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. No baking powder needed. All ingredients are in the description, so let's dive in and flip some magic. Alright, let's get started by separating the egg yolks into a small dish. Place the egg whites and sugar in a large bowl. This is going to help us create that fluffy texture we're aiming for. Make sure you have a clean bowl for the egg whites because any fat or yolk can prevent them from whipping up properly. Next, we're going to whip the egg whites and sugar until they reach a stiff peak. This means when you lift the beaters, the peaks should stand straight up without drooping. This step is crucial for giving our pancakes that light and airy texture. It might take about 3-5 minutes with an electric mixer, so be patient. In another bowl, combine the flour and salt. Then, add the egg yolks, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. With a whisk, mix until there are no visible lumps and everything is combined. This will be our base batter. The melted butter adds richness, while the vanilla gives a lovely aroma. Now, slowly add about a quarter of the whipped egg whites to the batter bowl. Mix these completely to make a runnier batter. This step helps lighten the batter, making it easier to fold in the rest of the egg whites without deflating them too much. Gently fold in half of the remaining egg whites into the batter, just enough until the white disappears into the batter. Be gentle here, you don't want to lose all the air you've just whipped in. Use a spatula and fold in a figure 8 motion. Add the remaining egg whites and minimally fold them in with the spatula, just until the white disappears. Again, be very gentle. The goal is to keep as much air in the batter as possible to ensure our pancakes are fluffy. Heat a large non-stick pan or cast iron skillet over medium heat. Add a little butter or oil to the pan. You want the pan hot enough that a drop of water sizzles on contact, but not so hot that the butter burns. This usually takes about 2-3 minutes. Pour about a quarter cup of the batter into the pan for each pancake. You can use a ladle or a measuring cup for this. The batter should spread out slightly but still hold its shape. If it spreads too much, your pan might be too hot. Wait to flip the pancakes until you begin to see bubbles forming on top, the edges are defined, and the bottoms lift easily and are golden brown. This usually takes about 2-3 minutes. If the pancakes are browning too quickly, lower the heat a bit. Flip the pancakes and cook the other side for an additional minute. They should be golden brown on both sides and cooked through. You can check by gently pressing the center, it should spring back. Serve the pancakes hot with your favorite syrup or pancake toppings. Fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar would be delicious. Enjoy your fluffy pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.